In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get your Google Chrome bookmarks back. Whether you accidentally deleted a bookmark or are trying to restore from a backup, I'll guide you through the steps to recover those precious links. Let's dive right in. First up, if you recently deleted a bookmark and haven't yet closed your browser, there's a simple trick that might just save the day. You can instantly undo the deletion by pressing the Ctrl and Z keys together if you're using Windows or Linux, or Command and Z on a Mac. This quick solution often flies under the radar, so it's a handy technique to keep in mind for those immediate recovery situations. If that doesn't work, or you prefer another method, there's also the option to navigate to the Bookmarks menu, then select Bookmark Manager. Once there, if an undo option appears, simply click on that to retrieve your lost bookmark. Now let's move on to importing an HTML backup. This is particularly useful if you have a backup file stored somewhere on your device. To begin, you need to open the Bookmark Manager. You can do this quickly by pressing Ctrl, Shift, and O simultaneously on Windows or Linux, or CMD, Shift, and O on a Mac. Once you're in the Manager, direct your attention to the three-dot menu situated in the top right corner, right next to the search bar. Clicking here will bring up a drop-down menu where you'll find the option labeled Import Bookmarks. Clicking on this option will prompt you to navigate through your files. Find the HTML file where your bookmarks have been saved. Once you locate this file, select it, and then click Open. Doing so will import all the bookmarks from that file back into your browser. This is a great way to ensure that your saved sites are never lost, even if something goes wrong. Remember, creating regular backups of your bookmarks can save you a lot of worry in the future. It's generally a good habit to periodically export your bookmarks to an HTML file, especially if you've curated a large number of important links over time. This way, even in the case of unexpected data loss, you'll have a reliable method to restore everything back to its former state. And there you have it, 2 straightforward methods for recovering your bookmarks in Google Chrome. Whether you're undoing a recent deletion or importing a previously saved backup, regaining access to all your important bookmarks can be done quickly and efficiently. Thanks for joining, and I hope these tips help you keep your digital life organized. Stay tuned for more helpful tutorials, and don't forget to subscribe for future updates.